Ali, you say hello to Poppy? From Mum? Come on, say hi to Poppy.
No.
No? Well, say something.
No.
Okay, you little crabby thing. Ali,
No.
am I not allowed to film you anymore?
No. Oh.
Why not?
Oh, no.
Why not? You really don't want to be filmed. Ali. Boo. You're making a mess, aren't you? Okay. As long as you show Poppy your nice dressing gown, we'll let you go. Okay.